Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and flavorful lesson in store for you. We are going to learn how to express different tastes in Hindi through English. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. First up, we have sweet, which is called mithai in Hindi. So, if you're enjoying a delicious dessert, you can say, "This is really mithai." Let's practice. Repeat after me, mithai. Great job. I will repeat this. Sweet. Mithai. Next, we have sour, known as Khatta in Hindi. Think of biting into a tangy lemon. That's the taste we are talking about. Your turn to practice. Say, Khatta. Excellent. I will repeat this. Sour. Khatta. Sour. Khatta. Now, let's move on to spicy, or as we say in Hindi, Teekha. When your taste buds are on fire, that's Teekha. Give it a try, Teekha. Excellent. I will repeat this. Spicy. Teekha. Spicy. Teekha. Coming up is salty, called Namakīn in Hindi. When your snack is just the right amount of salty, you can say, "It has the perfect amount of Namakīn." Give it a try, Namakīn. Excellent. I will repeat this. Salty. Namakīn. Salty. Namaki. Lastly, we have bitter, which is Kadwa in Hindi. Sometimes a cup of coffee can be Kadwa, but it's an acquired taste. Give a try, Kadwa. Excellent. I will repeat this. Bitter. Kadwa. Bitter. Kadwa. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Sweet, mithai. Sour, khatta. Spicy, teekha. Bitter, kadwa. Salty, namkeen. And there you have it. You've just expanded your vocabulary by learning how to express tastes in Hindi through English. Now, when you're enjoying your favorite meals, you can impress your friends by describing the taste in two languages. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this lesson helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more fun language learning content. Until next time, खाना का मजा लो और भाषा सीखते रहो. Enjoy your food and keep learning languages.